Hi guys, in the kitchen with Cindy too. I am going to be doing some Christmas food, preparing it. And I'm going to bring you all along as much as I can, okay? 1 second. Um, First, I'm going to do this and say thank you guys for watching. I'm going to take this off for a few because I can. Because I can, yes I can. Why don't you? If you want to, yes I can. That was corny, wasn't it? Oh well. Anyway, the mood is good. I don't have my music on yet. Hold up. Now you know we need to get some Pandora going up in champ. Wait a minute. So I do not own any copyrights to any music that you hear. But this is Pandora. This is the main ingredient radio. I don't want to drown me out. So anyway, I have this ham, and what I'm going to do, I have my oven heated to 350. I'm going to take this ham and I'm going to put some Pepsi Cola on it. So there's some cloves on here only. And I'm going to pour some Pepsi on here, okay? You can use any colas you want. Some people use strawberry soda. I mean, yeah. I've done it with the strawberry and the 7-Up a few times, but I like it better this way. Okay, right? And I'm just going to cover it up. And I'm going to put it in the oven for about a good 20 minutes. And when I take it out the oven, then I'll come back and I'll show you what happens next before it goes back in the oven, okay? But this is so all that cola can get up in there, and I scored it. You know, you do the cross thing here, shoom, shoom, boom, boom, like tic-tac-toe. I did that already. I scored it, okay? So that way all the seasonings can get in there too, right? So I'm gonna put this in there again for about 20 minutes maybe. And then when I come back, we're going to do a mixture of brown sugar and mustard. We're going to mix that up, and we're going to put that over it, then dress it up with the pineapples, etc., etc. Okay? So excuse me while I do what I got to do, and I'll be back to you, okay? All right.